What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 back with another video. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of a Skullcandy Crusher like headphones. Now, folks who know what Skullcandy Crushers are, the headphone games, those are pretty much headphones that put out a lot of bass and bass that you can feel. Now, I think I found a viable clone to that Skullcandy Crushers. Now, I gotta shout out a commenter. I'll put his name down here. If I don't, you know who you are. If I don't, the name's not there. If I got it wrong, but someone kind of shouted out in my comments. Then I started doing my investigations on this headset, and I learned that this headset does actually have some pretty decent bass. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing today. It's a holiday pickup from Black Friday. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed, shall we? So I have it here. Okay, I haven't opened it yet, so let me go ahead and open it. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, I still got my Tron BDH01 wireless headphone review coming. That's coming tomorrow. What is this? It's an iPad. It's my daughter's iPad. Sorry, she's a traitor when it comes to tablets. That's the wrong box. I unboxed the wrong thing. Oh, here it is. This is the right box this time. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I picked up a few too many things. Not a few too many, just a few things on Black Friday. And here we go. I got the headset right here. This is the Altec Lansing Rumble Bluetooth headphones. Okay, Altec Lansing Rumble. Now, I know their products, they can be either hit or miss. I've done my research on some Altec Lansing stuff, some of their speakers and stuff. Their stuff can be hit or miss, okay? Especially price per performance wise. Now, regular price, this goes for $79, but that was the same price the Skullcandy Crusher were on sale during Black Friday for $79, brand new. So, but this was going for $49 Black Friday, so I had to pick it up. But keep in mind, regular price, you look at it on Amazon right now, you're looking to pay $69.79 for this. Okay, and remember, maybe $59, who knows? But this is a clone, kind of. What I've done my research on. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. So, yeah, I'm sorry. I know a commenter pointed these out to me. And what? If I didn't get your name, I'm sorry. But you'll be in the comments. I'll look for you. I'll try and look for you anyway. I can't seem to get this open. There we go. All right. Box is a little bent. Thank you, Amazon. Okay. Now I'm gonna pull it out so you folks can see. Da, 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 da. Something fell. What is this? Altec Lansing just asked some paperwork. You got your Altec 12-month limited warranty, 24-hour customer support. Whenever you get new products like this, please go ahead and register them as soon as you get them. Okay, don't wait like me. Sometimes I wait a few days, sometimes even weeks before I open my product. So that's a big no-no. Okay, and here they are. Oh, wow, they come in this case like that. There's nothing else in there. I like this. It's not a hard case, but still, they put a case in there. That's an A for effort. And I got the blue versions. Let me see what else is in here. Okay, as for the wires, you got a micro USB A to micro USB cable. Let me get this out of here. And this is a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter jack cable. So you got that. Yep, that's the charging cable. And here they are. I got blue, okay, because I don't have any blue headphones. I don't think I have any blue headphones. I know these come in like, I think, white and black and blue. So I got these blue versions. Now, first glances, they look good, but they feel plasticky right off the bat. See, that's all plastic right here. And there's a big there's metal right here, but there's blue plastic on the inside, kind of a backup. These wires, okay, there's the wires right here. Be careful with those. Don't cut those or your headphones will not work. Now check this out. Check this out. Okay, you got your, what ear cup is this? Okay, on the right ear cup, you got your buttons. You got your power button, power and pairing button. So basically you turn it on, you hold it down, turn it on for a few seconds, it turns on. Now if you want to pair it, you hold down the power button when it's off, hold it down for like 8 seconds, and it'll go into pairing mode. You got your volume up and down buttons. I'm assuming they double as skip forward, skip back if you long press. I'm assuming that. I'm pretty sure that's the way it goes. And look at this right here. You have a bass vibrator. It says vibrator. Okay, bass vibrator here. So you're gonna feel some haptic feedback from the bass. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that on the lowest setting. Okay. First off, I didn't read the specs of this headset. What does it have? Okay, it's Bluetooth. It doesn't say what kind of Bluetooth. I'm assuming Bluetooth 4.1, 4.2 at least. It doesn't say. If I find out what it is, I'll list it right here. It's got booming bass sound, 10 hours of play time per charge. So that's not very much, the battery life. So if you're playing full blast and you got that bass vibrator up, bass vibrator up all the way, man, you might squeeze 5 hours, 6 hours on playtime out of it if you got it on full control, full volume. Siri and Hey Google voice assistant, custom fit music controls, got an inline mic. Yeah, it does not say what type of Bluetooth radio signal, well, not radio, Bluetooth version it has, 4.1, 4.2 or anything like that. It does not say if it has aptX or aptX LL. I'm assuming it doesn't have aptX. I'm gonna assume, because if that's something Bluetooth headphones like to tout, they like to advertise. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this paired with my LG V30. I'll do a little jump cut right here. Alright folks, I went ahead and got it paired to my LG V30. Now I'm gonna go ahead and test them out. Let me see, right and left, okay. So the build quality, I mean, yeah, it's plasticky, little cushion up here. See how the ear pads are. Okay, they don't squeeze your head tight, but you do feel them on there. It's not like super annoying. Now I'm gonna assume if you got like a bigger head, you're gonna feel the squeeze a bit more. But let me go ahead and play my first song. This is Cyberpunk by Max Braun. NCS song. So the volume. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, snap! The vase vibrators all the way down. Vase. Did I say vase? Turn the vase vibrator all the way up. Oh yeah, you can feel it. It's about halfway up. Oh snap! I can feel it! Oh, ho, Skullcandy Crushers! They sound similar! Very, very close. Now, I don't have the Crushers, okay? I don't. They're on my list. But if you don't have them and you're pondering, that shit's too expensive, take a look at these. Okay? Take a look at these. Hold on. Let me try another song. So you said one more from my list. You gotta pick a NCS type of song. Here is Linked. I'm gonna pick a third song and I'm gonna, after this one. So I turn the bass vibrator all the way down. Jim Yosef and Anna Yvette. It's got great sound. Okay? Bass vibrator, I'm turning it up. Oh! Whoa! See that? You see the headphones? They were shaking. You can feel that. I'm turning it back down. I'm gonna pick another song. Amazing. Amazing. Now for $50, I can say right off the bat, $50. They're worth it. I don't even need to do a review. They're worth it. $50. But I'll play something else. I'm not gonna let you folks hear it because I don't want to get, copyright strike and all that. Especially with all this COPPA stuff going on. I had to go into every single one of my videos and I had to put it all toward adults. I had 500 something videos, so it took me quite a while to do all of that stuff. Here's a song with bass. Where's this? Where's my dude, Half Pint? Half Pint, man. This is Hold On. I'm still going strong. Palette, damn Chirac. Now I'm gonna turn the bass up. Oh snap! It's vibrating my ears. What? Okay. I must. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. First impressions. They're amazing. These Altec Lansing Rumbles, they're amazing. Look at my hair's all messed up, all jacked. I don't care. But man. Okay. Let's get the elephant out of the room. Elephant is in the room right there. The bass is freaking amazing. Okay. It's not a clean bass. It's a rumbling bass, hence the name, Altec Lansing Rumble. And when you got the bass, I keep on saying bass vibrator. I'm like reversing the two. The bass vibrator, okay, when you got that at the lowest setting, it's a nice, sort of clean bass, okay? It's nice, it's pleasing, It doesn't overpower the mids and highs, but as soon as you start hitting this bass vibrator, putting it all the way up, then that's when the bass really kicks in. You start to feel it, and it overpowers the mids and the highs slightly. Okay, you're gonna notice it, but it's okay because I'm a bass head. I like the bass. I like the volume. The volume is pretty much on point. I wish it was just a smidge louder, maybe 5%, but it's pretty close. Okay, 95% of people out there are gonna find this headset sufficiently loud enough. Now, other 5% psychopaths out there like me that like to listen to things loud. Well, maybe because I'm going deaf already. These come really close to being on par, really loud. The right volume for me when it comes to the full volume. Now, who knows, when I break it in, it might get a little louder. It might loosen up a little bit. I'm gonna put 20 hours into this headset and see if it breaks in a little bit more before I do the review. Let's see. The mids, they're a little recessed. I'm not gonna lie, they're a little recessed, but it's not too bad. You go in your EQ settings and kind of tweak it, bring some of those mids out. The the vocals, they're pretty good. Okay, they're not drowned out by the bass. They're a little bit at full volume, especially if you got the bass vibrator up, but not so much. And the highs, they're nice and clear, crystal clear. Man, not so much, but they're clear. Okay, but the main thing about this headset is the bass, the haptic feedback. You feel that bass vibrator. You feel it, especially when that bass vibrator is turned all the way up like that. But so far, you know what? And at $79.99, if you're looking for a pair of something like headphones that give off pretty good bass, I mean. You got these, you got some Sony headphones that give up pretty good bass, and the Skullcandy Crushers. Now, regular price, these are on $79. But $79, that's what the Skullcandy Crushers go for when they're on sale. I think that's what they were selling for on Black Friday, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, Altec Lansing, man. It's pretty good. This is awesome. Great headset. This is a great Black Friday pickup. I liked it. I love this headset. I'm going to go ahead and test it out some more. I got a review coming out, again, probably going to be next week because my Tron BDH01, whatever, wireless over-ear headset, that's coming out tomorrow. And I also am working on my xCloud first impressions. I'm doing an xCloud first impressions video, and I've been playing xCloud predominantly on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, the phone that I'm using this as a camera right now. Okay, I'm using it as a camera. I use it as my xCloud. Galaxy Note 10 Plus is fantastic. Kind of wish I waited the Galaxy 11 because it got that 108 megapixel camera, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. This is my first Galaxy phone in a long time. But yeah, what do you folks think about the Altec Lansing Rumbles? Did you folks have this on your radar? Did you even know about this headset? I know I didn't know about this headset until that one of my subscribers left a comment down below. But hopefully I found his name and I got him here in the comments somewhere, in the subtitles right here. But if I didn't, you know who you are. Thank you. If you know who you are and I don't miss you, please comment down below that you were the person that recommended these headsets. It made me go look for it and investigate these headsets. And this video is for you, bro. Alright, yeah, it's Guddang775, Justin, my boy in Texas, aka Sully. I hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button down in the down by the comment and leave a comment down below as well. I do appreciate the criticism. Now, I am busy. I do not get to read every single comment out there. I am sorry, but I will get to your comments as soon as I can. Sometimes other comments right over, like at the top of my notification settings, they go over the comments, and sometimes yours, I might miss yours, and I might come back to your comments like a month or a week later or something like that. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, it's Guddang775, Justin, my boy in Texas, aka Sully. Peace out.